Virtual Medical Rep presents Cough. Is it COVID? Department of Pathology, Ames New Delhi, made the shortest note. Allergies and pollution causes dry cough and sneezing. No fever, no other issues. Common cold is cough, mucus, sneezing, runny nose, but no fever. Then comes the flu, which causes cough, mucus, sneezing, runny nose, body aches, weakness, and light fever. Exaggerated form of that is COVID-19. Dry cough, sneezing, body pain, weakness, high fever, difficulty breathing. So, thank you for the Department of Pathology. Ames New Delhi. Professor Dr. Kazmi presents Virtual Medical Rep, the shortest medical videos on any subject in medicine and or medications. Like it, share it, watch it, subscribe it, and thank you very much for watching it.